Have you ever uploaded your data into Power Query and seen the column names like column 1, 2 and 3 and so on? In today's video, I will show you a simple and quick way to rename your columns and transform your data from a messy dataset to clean. Let's see how. To do this, first we will upload our dataset into Power Query. We will go to Data tab, select the new query, from File and from Workbook. Here we will upload our required dataset. Here we have two options, either load our data or edit. Because we want to transform our data and change the column name, so we will click on the edit. Now you can see that we have a messy combination of columns without proper names. So let me show you simple way to rename the column. The first simple way to rename the column is click on the column, make double click, and you can see that the previous column name is highlighted. Now I will change it to required column name. Our required column name is region. Hit enter and our column is updated. If you want to do it through more control and proper way, you can select the column, go to transform tab. Here you will see the option of rename. Click rename and you can give the required column name. By doing this, you can update all your dataset. And now you can see that I have updated my all dataset by giving proper names to all columns. Once you are finished with your changes, go to Home tab, press close and load. And now you can see that our messy data has been transformed into a proper dataset with defined column names. If you like this video, please follow and share to help others. See you in the next one.